Okay, so now in the last discussion we have discussed that content-based recommendation systems are those where we try to compare the content of whatever be the words which are provided in the search criteria versus the different descriptions of the items available in the inventory. So in this we have to match the language of search criteria versus the description which is given for different items available in the inventory, right? So for that matching we have discussed that we have to utilize some of the natural language processing concepts or NLP concepts, and if we have to use different NLP concepts, then of course we have to understand some of the important terms of NLP, like what they are and how they work. So to understand different concepts of NLP, let's start exploring different terms. The first term that we are going to understand from NLP is tokenization. Now, what is tokenization? So tokenization is a process of separating a piece of text into smaller unit called tokens. Now, what exactly it is? Let's say you have a complete word that I love pizza. So if this is the word, so this is called as complete sentence, right? So we have complete sentence. Now, if we want to create different tokens out of it, so what we have to do? We have to break this word into different tokens. So this is going to be one token. This is also going to be one token, and this will also be called as one token. So by this, we understood two concepts. One is tokenization and another one is token. Now, token is also again of different type. So there are three different type of token. First token is word token. Then we have char token or character token, and then we have subwords. Right? So these are the different type of tokens that we have. Word token is something where from the sentence we are kind of picking up the complete words. These words itself are called as word token, right? So normally in any sentence, like this is the sentence. Now in this sentence, how tokens are extracted? So tokens are extracted based on space available between the words. So we kind of track the spaces available in between different words in a given sentence, and based on it we kind of bring in different tokens, right? So that is about word token. Now character token is something in a given word if we break this word into different characters, so these are different character tokens. So L O V E these are going to be four different tokens. We would call it as a character tokens, right? Similarly, subword as in a chunk of word like ZZA or maybe PI or something, if you are kind of extracting. So it's a kind of extraction of smaller chunk of the word from a given word. That is called as subword. So these are the three different type of tokens that are available. All right. Now in this discussion we have understood these two concepts, tokens and tokenization and tokens. Now in next discussion we are going to discuss about corpus and vocabulary, what they are.